Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming project and clip sample rates match, because mismatches can mislead meters and cause unexpected peaking. Next, solo the track you want to fix so other sounds don't mask distortion. Enable the audio meters to watch peaks in real time. Then set clip gain to about -6 dB as a conservative baseline. This reduces obvious peaks and gives you headroom. Once done, play the loudest section and note how far peaks exceed your target level. Now you fix the cause of peaking. Use the dynamics effect, set a gentle ratio and fast attack to tame transients while preserving punch. Adjust threshold until peaks sit under your target. Add a deesser if sibilance spikes the mid-highs, and notch EQ around 1 to 4 kHz to reduce harshness that reads as peak energy. If levels still vary, create volume keyframes or tag clips with essential sound, and use loudness match to pull multiple clips to a consistent level. Finish by rendering a consolidated mixdown and check loudness units and true peak. Aim for your target LUFS and keep true peaks below -1 dBTP. If any clips still clip after processing, automate clip gain or insert a brickwall limiter set to -1 dBTP to catch residual peaks without pumping. Make a short exported test and listen on headphones, phone, and monitors. If problems remain, revisit EQ and dynamics settings because room playback can mask remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.